Hey everyone, it's River here. Welcome back to Metrology TechTalk. Last time we introduced what defines a 3D scanner as metrology grade. And today, let's talk about why. Why do you really need it? Look at this part. With a caliper, I can check the diameter of the tube. But what about the curvature? Or those more complex freeform surfaces? I'm basically flying blind. And how about CMMs? It's the gold standard of accuracy, sure, but it's stuck in an environment-controlled lab. You can't exactly drag a massive casting across the factory for inspection. And those consumer, hobbyist-level 3D scanners, they produce visually good models, but the data lack metrological traceability. You can't use them to sign off on an engineering quality report that holds up in an audit. And that's exactly where Metrology-Grade 3D scanners come in. It brings lab-level accuracy directly to a messy factory floor, and you can capture millions of points in seconds. By comparing them to the CAD model, you can instantly see every deviation on a color map. But who actually needs this strict level of data quality? What happens if you fail to get measurements accurately and correctly in these industries? In automotive industry, if a cylinder head is off by a fraction of a millimeter, thousands of defective engines can be produced. In civil aviation, if there's unnoticed wear and tear on a fan blade, you could get massive vibration issues at 30,000 feet high. If a stamping die wears out prematurely in tooling and mold manufacturing, your entire production line shuts down. If inaccurate measurements fail to catch the heat distortion on a massive frame, assembly on the shop floor grinds to a halt in engineering machinery. In power and energy, if a critical pipeline or chemical valve fails inspection, you face catastrophic leaks and downtime. And if those incredibly tight tolerances inside your electronics devices fail, the intricate components simply won't fit together. If a dimensional failure means a high scrap rate, a delayed production run, or risk to user safety, then you need the Metrology-Grade 3D scanners. It's the difference between hoping your part is right and proving it with data you can trust. But here's the catch. Buying the right scanner is only step one. How do you actually use it to get accurate results? That's exactly what we are breaking down in our next episode. I'm River. Make sure to follow Shiny 3D Metrology. I'll see you next time.